Alright, now I'm going to show you why I did the underframe and the trucks and fuel tanks, everything with red oxide primer. What I got here is some powdered graphite. And I got a little glass, I don't know, it's a candle holder or something, and a makeup brush. Now the red oxide, when you take that makeup brush with the graphite, get in closer, you take that, and then if you rub it on here, has a special effect. Now, can you see the special effect? Let's take a look. Do you see how it's starting to look like metal? Look at that. You can even see the little EMD on it. That's a nice little effect. Let's do the other one quick. Also, the couplers are coated with graphite so that their knuckles, they'll couple up much easier. And I like to coat the face of all the knuckles on all the couplers, and it certainly reduces problems. Okay, let's take a look. Do we get it? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Look at that. That looks really good. Okay, let's hit the fuel tank. Now I looked at some pictures of it. I got one over there on a big screen. So the fuel tank started out nice and black, but over time it started to look, it took on a little bit of brown color. But this graphite over the red oxide will make it look like it started out shiny black and now it looks very much, look at that. You can see your details better. And it looks like that. Gives a neat special effect. That's what we're looking for. And yeah, we're wrapped up now. Now we gotta take them over to the track and give them a test drive. Let's see here. Let's zoom in on them. Man, it's hard to see this light, but I do like the way that turned out. That turned out real nice. You'll have to look really close at this to know that it was actually red oxide that's just been graphited. There it is. That's pretty good. We're ready for testing.